This year, listed companies have already declared around $55 million in dividends. What does that say about the health of corporate Fiji?
Yeah, so I think that's a very important statistics and a great question, because obviously the companies are consistently making profits and have done so for a number of years now. Last year, 19 out of the 20 companies made profits, listed companies in Fiji, and even years before, that trend has been consistent, where the companies are performing well and also making money and making profits. Not only are they performing well and making money and profits, they are also giving out a part of those profits as dividends to their shareholders. So that, I think, is probably a very positive sign, not only for the Fijian stock market, but also for the Fijian economy, that the best or the top companies in the Fijian economy are performing well, and there is corporate success which translates well into macroeconomic success as well. And that is one of our key messages to when we go out and do awareness to any Fijian who has not experienced the stock market so far, and ask us, what are we investing in? And our message to them is, you are investing in 21 credible, well-run, profitable businesses that also gives back to shareholders. And that is a very important message that we take. And the fact that corporates the listed corporates in Fiji are successful and performing well is one of the best and most positive characteristics of our stock market.